Happy pudding face. Is that a happy pudding face? Say happy pudding face. Yeah. You're not gonna make noises and stuff now? You talking to me? Where'd you play video game? JJ, say hi. JJ.
Hi.
Say hi, hello. Let's practice my car. Say I'm losing my socks, man. It happened. Do you like pudding? Got us some jello pudding cup. And the baby loves it. Open up. He gets hyped. He getting hyped. We got us a jello pudding face. Get us a jello pudding face. Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do we? Want some? Say yummy, yummy, yummy. Jello pudding face. Open up. Open up, open up. Open up, open up. Yeah, mouth is not something you understand yet, huh? Oh. Turn that face off. We got a sticky face, y'all. He's watching this man.
Dang.
Say peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time, peanut butter jelly time.
Mom, it's not peanut butter jelly time, it's peanut butter.
Okay, well, peanut butter time.
It's only peanut butter.
You know what, sir? I'm going to need you to play your game. And I'm going to need you to open your mouth and quit tonguing down the spoon. Him like the pudding. Him like the pudding. That's what we need to get is the freaking pudding pops. Don't they still make pudding pops?
I think so.
Man, that stuff was good, man. Say, who needs a Gerber baby when you a Jello baby?
That's fucked up.
Jello. It's a lie.
You should have called a baby fat.
I didn't call my baby fat.
You just called him a Jello.
I said, who needs a baby, a Gerber baby when you can be a Jello baby? Nigga, fuck you.
You called him a fat baby.
He's fat. Look at the kneecap. Y'all ever see kneecaps and rolls like that?
Yeah, kneecap, Nick. What's going to do about that?
You know what? He's going to throw up on you when I leave to go to the store to get some fucking pudding pops. What is he going to do about that? You nasty. You freaking nasty. Open up. Open wide. Open. Good boy. Okay, this is like, for real, your next to last spoonful. Because for 4 minutes and 40 seconds, you've been eating Jello. You want to feed him a bite, Jay?
Nope.
No?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do. Okay, hold on.
Not too much, not too little.
Hold on, I gotta get this part in there first.
But eat.
Actually, I can. Here. You know how to do it, right?
Here comes the airplane.
Oh.
Open.
He doesn't open all the way. You gotta kind of touch his lip first. Oh. Wait. Let me see his lips first. Okay. Now you gotta scoop it onto the top part of his gum and lift it up and take it out.
It hasn't took any of it out. Ooh.
See how it scooped it off?
Here.
Thank you, baby. Good job, Jay. He said, what the hell?
You're a pudding baby, okay, Bobby?
Okay, you're cool with pudding. No more. No more. We'll have bellyache. You're going to be hyped for like the rest of the night now. That was nasty. Don't be giving me that face. We done with the Jello, man. We done with the Jello, man.
You don't get no Fritos.
What Fritos?
Except for your little lady. No Fritos, damn it.
Oh, he knows he's done with his food, y'all. He's mad. Look. Are you mad? Don't go through all that. Now you're sleepy. You can't be sleepy. You just ate that chocolate.
He follows you.
I love you, little Damien. Oh, I got the baby. You're not sucking on my finger. You hear your brother. He's crazy. Don't you try to eat my fingers. Don't you try to eat my fingers. Really? That was pudding on that. What you mean, really? God bless. You know what? Bless you, boy. Your pudding sneezed on me. Say bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Well, we're going to do something with your head. Say bye-bye. Say bye, Virginia. Oh, the sugar's got him. The sugar's got him. Look at his little feet go. Oh, the sugar's got me. Say, the sugar's got me. Say, the sugar's got me. My Facebook and YouTube. Fight like Leaky.
Oh.
Did we fight like Leaky, man?
We got you, right? We got you there.